Hey Siri, what day is today?
It's Thursday, December 26th, 2019.
Hey Siri, what holidays are today?
I'm on it. Today isn't a holiday. Not here anyway.
Hey Siri, what holidays in the world are today?
I don't know the holidays in the United Arab Emirates. My apologies.
Hey Siri, when is Ramadan?
According to astronomical projections, Ramadan is expected to start April 24th, 2020, and is expected to end the evening of May 23rd, 2020.
Hey Siri, when is Hanukkah?
Hanukkah started the evening of December 22nd, 2019, and ends the evening of December 30th, 2019.
Hey Siri, when is Kwanzaa?
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
When is Kwanzaa?
Kwanzaa starts today and ends on Wednesday.
Hey Siri, when is Christmas?
Christmas Day is on Friday, December 25th, 2020.
Hey Siri, when is Festivus?
Festivus is celebrated annually on December 23rd, but you can air your grievances to me anytime.
Great, thank you.
Echo, what day is today?
Today is Thursday, December 26th.
Echo, when is Christmas?
Christmas is yesterday. The next occurrence is on Friday, December 25th, 2020.
Echo, when is Kwanzaa?
Kwanzaa is today. Do you want to hear some news about Kwanzaa?
No, later. Echo. Echo, when is Hanukkah?
Hanukkah in 2019 starts in the evening of Sunday, December 22nd and lasts until Monday, December 30th.
Echo, when is Festivus?
Festivus is on Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020.
Excellent. Echo, what holidays are today?
While there are no national holidays in the United States on December 26th, it is Boxing Day and Kwanzaa.
Thank you. Hey Google, what day is today?
Thursday, the 25th of December 2019.
Hey Google, what holidays are today?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey Google, are there any holidays today?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey Google, when is Christmas?
Christmas Day in United States was on Wednesday, December 25th, 2019.
Hey Google, when is Hanukkah?
Hanukkah began in the evening of Sunday, December 22nd, 2019, and ends in the evening of Monday, December 30th.
Hey Google, when is Kwanzaa?
Kwanzaa in United States began on Thursday, December 26th, 2019, and ends on Wednesday, January 1st, 2020.
Hey Google, when is Rosh Hashanah?
Friday, September 18th, 2020 to Sunday, September 20th, 2020.
Hey Google, when is Festivus?
Festivus was on Monday, December 23rd, 2019.
Thank you. Alexa, what day is today?
Today is Thursday, December 26th.
Alexa, what holidays are today?
While there are no national holidays in the United States on December 26th, it is Boxing Day and Kwanzaa.
Alexa, when is Kwanzaa?
Kwanzaa is today.
Alexa, when is Christmas?
Christmas is yesterday. The next occurrence is on Friday, December 25th, 2020.
Alexa, when is Hanukkah?
Hanukkah in 2019 starts in the evening of Sunday, December 22nd and lasts until Monday, December 30th.
Alexa, when is Festivus?
Festivus is on Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020.
Thank you.